Hi friends, hola mis amigos, bienvenido y welcome back to Playgarden Prep online. My name is Miss Canitra, en español me llamo Señorita Canitra, and today we will be learning letter X words in Spanish or in Espanol. Now I don't know about you, but I love learning words in Spanish, so let's get started. First up we have two fingers on a drum roll, please. Xylophone. Xylophone. Xylophone starts with the letter X. And xylophone in Spanish is xylophone. Xylophone. Your turn. Xylophone. Xylophone in Spanish is xylophone. Xylophone in Spanish is xylophone. Xylophones are colorful instruments. Xylophone in Spanish is xylophone. Xylophone. En español, xylophone. Next up we have two fingers on a drum roll, please. X-ray. X-ray. X-ray starts with the letter X. And X-ray in Spanish is radiografía. Radiografía. Your turn. Radiografía. X-ray in Spanish is radiografía. X-ray in Spanish is radiografía. An X-ray takes pictures of your bones. X-ray in Spanish is radiografía. X-ray. En español, radiografía. And lastly, we have two fingers on a drum roll, please. Xylograph. Xylograph. Xylograph starts with the letter X. And xylograph in Spanish is xilografio. Xilografio. Your turn. Xilografio. Xylograph in Spanish is xilografio. Xylograph in Spanish is xilografio. Xylographs are wood carvings. Xylograph in Spanish is xilografio. Xylograph, en español, xilografio. Wow, good job, friends. We learned 1, 2, 3, en español, 1, 2, 3 palabras or words in Spanish today. Should we review? First up, we have xylophone, en español, xilófono. Xylophones are colorful instruments. Next up, we have X-ray, en español, radiografía. X-rays take pictures of your bones. And last up, we have xylograph, en español, xilografio. Xylographs are wood carvings. Wow, friends, gracias. Thank you so much for learning and speaking Spanish with me today. Adios, hasta la vista, and I'll see you next time.